June 29, 2025. Before sunrise, 6 Russian military ferries moved silently through the Black Sea, each one packed with elite troops, armored vehicles, and heavy munitions. No satellites saw them. No radar detected them. Russia believed this was the perfect stealth landing, but 6,000 meters above the sea, something was watching. The objective? Strike the Ukrainian city of Mykolaiv from behind. 380 elite Russian soldiers, 24 armored vehicles. They sailed through a corridor carefully chosen because it appeared invisible to detection systems. Their strategy was silence. Their flaw was overconfidence. High above, a Ukrainian PD-2 drone hovered silently. No lights, no sound, just a thermal camera and a radio transmitter. Every 10 seconds, it sent GPS coordinates and images back to Ukrainian command. It didn't fire. It didn't move. It simply observed. In Kiev, an alert sounded. Inside a dim command center, General Vashchenko leaned over a topographic map. He studied the thermal feed, the terrain, the sea's acoustic profile. He didn't order a strike, not yet. "We wait 7 minutes," he said. "Let them enter the trap." Far inland, 3 Ukrainian MLRS systems locked onto the coordinates. A Ram-2 kamikaze drone launched into the sky. 2 Neptune cruise missiles, hidden under camo nets, came online. There were no jets, no noise, just quiet preparation and deadly precision. At exactly 4:42 a.m., one word was sent: execute. Rockets screamed into the sky. The Ram-2 dove from above, striking the lead ship in seconds. Neptune missiles tore across the sea and exploded with pinpoint accuracy. In under 180 seconds, the Russian fleet was obliterated. 6 ships destroyed, over 320 troops lost. Russia said nothing, but Ukraine made its message clear. General Vashchenko stood before the camera. "When they come by sea," he said, "they should expect to drown." This was no lucky strike. It was a masterclass in 21st century warfare. A $30,000 drone, with no weapons, had turned the tide. Not with force, but with vision. This isn't a war of tanks, it's a war of sight. And the side that sees first wins. War is changing, and those who understand it lead the future.